Harness the power of collocation dictionaries. Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on advanced English vocabulary. Today, we're going to focus on a very important tool that can help you elevate your English proficiency, a collocation dictionary. This fantastic resource will significantly enhance your adjective plus noun collocation vocabulary and take your English to new heights. Let's start by understanding what a collocation dictionary is. It is a type of dictionary that specifically focuses on collocations, words that usually go together. By using this tool, you'll get to know which adjectives typically pair up with certain nouns, and vice versa. This understanding will allow you to speak and write English more fluently, accurately, and naturally. So why should you use a collocation dictionary? Let's explore this. First, collocation dictionaries help you to use words more accurately. English speakers don't say, "a strong rain," but "heavy rain." With a collocation dictionary, you can learn such natural pairings. Second, it allows you to avoid redundancy. Instead of repeating the same adjectives, you can find synonyms that collocate well with your noun. And finally, it enhances your language creativity. By exploring a wide variety of collocations, you can express yourself more vividly and diversely. Using a collocation dictionary is a straightforward process. 1. Select the word you want to find collocations for. This could be a noun, verb, adjective, or adverb. 2. Look up the word in the collocation dictionary. 3. You will find a list of words that commonly collocate with your chosen word. Review these collocations, learn them, and try to use them in your own sentences. Now that we know how to use a collocation dictionary, let's practice. Let's say we have chosen the noun, decision. When we look up decision in the collocation dictionary, we might find adjectives such as tough, difficult, important, and major. These are all adjectives that commonly collocate with decision. To ensure these new collocations stick in our memory, we can create sentences using them. For example, I have a tough decision to make about my career path, or this is a major decision that will affect our company's future. And there you have it, learners. A collocation dictionary can be an incredibly powerful tool to expand your adjective plus noun collocation vocabulary. Remember, knowing which words go together can make your English sound more natural and fluent. We hope you find this tool as exciting and useful as we do. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.